How to fix Windows restarting after sleep. Right-click on the graphics driver and choose Update Driver. Step 4. Select Search automatically for drivers in the prompt window. Now restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. A sudden shutdown and restart might be triggered by the corrupted system files. You can run this command to repair problematic system files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. The sfc command will find and repair the corrupted and missing system files. You can examine whether your computer restarts when entered sleep mode problem is solved. Misconfiguration of Windows settings might be another cause of this problem. You can modify the system properties settings to disable the automatically restart choice.